Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So I thought that since I'm feeling very sassy today, my head is pounding because I have a headache, I'm not in a good mood, I thought it'd be great to roast some makeup products. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, if you get offended by people roasting makeup products because you like them and you don't like other people to not like them, then this is not the video for you. Click off, watch something else. So I'm going to start with the first thing I see here from Trendmood. I got everything from Trendmood and I'm just going to talk about the first ones that I see. And this is by ELF. So ELF is coming out with, and it's available now, Holy Strokes Microfine Brow Pen. So they came out with a brow pen, and this has an ultra fine liquid brow pen with light buildable pigment, perfect for creating thin hair-like strokes. And it retails for $7. I cannot say nothing bad about ELF because ELF comes out with great products at a very, very affordable price. So I like that. I would like to try that actually. Let's skip to the next one to see if I find something juicy that I can really, Have you tried Trendmood's boxes? Because they do have like subscription boxes, but they don't do it every month. I think they do it sometimes, and they have one which is available now and it looks really good. This is the volume 28. It brings a whole bunch of things. I see like maybe 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 like more than 10 products in there, and they have products by ELF, SheGlam, Sigma, Ilia, and what else do I see there? I can't tell which ones are the other ones, but they seem really, really good products, and I'm super intrigued by them. The next product here I see are blushes, right? But yeah, blushes. This is by YSL, which I always confuse YSL with LYS. Because it's the same letters, it's just in different order. I always get those two brands confused, always. And I know I can't be the only one. So they came out with Make Me Blush powder, their powder, and they have a whole bunch of shades to choose from. Some are matte, some are satin, and some are shimmery. It says coming soon, and they don't have the price for this, so I don't know the price. They look pretty though. Come on, give me something I can roast. Let's see what's next. They have here, what is this? 10 plumping, why plumping? Lip glosses or lip oils. This is by L'Oreal. This is the Plump Ambition Hyaluronic Lip Oil. Why? Why plumping? Why? Can we stop it with the plumping all the time? More than half of the people don't like plumping on their lips. I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. So this says this is the volumizing lip oil that drenches lips with 24-hour hydration and glass-like shine. All that sounds great except for the plumping. It says it's infused with hyaluronic acid and tripeptides to deliver unparalleled nourishing care. That's all great except for the plumping. And they have 10 shades, and they retail for $10.25 each. I'm passing on that because unless they're like minty and not really plumping, those I can stand and I'm okay with. But if they're like those really plumping lip products that burn you, no, I don't like that. Next, can you believe that I'm a nail tech but I've never tried the Holo Taco ever? And I've heard great things. It's just that I don't use regular polish anymore. To me, that's obsolete. I like gel polishes because you just cure it in the lamp. It's out, it's ready to go. They're not gonna mess it up. You don't have to wait. It's fast, easy, super shiny. I'm done. That's why I stopped using regular nail polishes. So they look beautiful and everything, but I always pass on it because I don't like using regular polish. They have it for $14 each, and they have a whole bunch of shades to select from. Next, we have here something from ColourPop. Oh, okay. it says Black Friday. It says Cyber Monday, mark your calendars. Sale starts from November 25th to December 4th. Everything from ColourPop. So it says just in time for the holidays, your favorite wallet-friendly beauty brand is about to get even more affordable. They have a whole bunch of listing of stuff from ColourPop. It's gonna be like $5. Mascaras. What else do I see here? Some of their palettes. The gel liners, that's pretty good for $5. All the site is having a 30% off site-wide. So if you're interested in ColourPop, there you go. Black Friday. I have here, what is this? This is, it says available now. Go with the Fox freckle stamp. Oh, are we still gonna continue the whole freckle situation shit? Really? Like, I get it was trending or whatever, but can we stop that already? I'm over it. I never did it. It's so noticeable when it's fake. It doesn't matter what you do. You could tell it's fake a mile away. Let the people who are blessed with freckles, with natural freckles, let them shine. If you don't have freckles, stop doing that. I said it. So this is by Tarte. And it says it has a 5-point freckle stamp to give you effortless freckles in 5 seconds, blah, blah, blah. It retails for $26 and it comes in 4 shades: light, medium, deep, and rich. So if you like freckles, keep freckling it. By e.l.f., I see something here is a new item from their Holy Hydration line. This is the Thirst Burst Drops. Ooh. Okay, it says dewy. It says dewy and brightening. So this is available now. It's the Holy Hydration Thirst Burst Drops. Thirst Burst Drops. It is a multi-use brightening and hydrating gel serum for a glowy look. That doesn't really work for me. It's infused with 1% hydrating hibiscus complex and brightening 5% of niacinamide. They have it for $12 and it's available now. I could care less about this. Next, from Glow Recipe, there's something here new. The new member of our Hue Drops family, Rosy Glow. It says a multi-use illuminating tinted serum. Oh, it's a tinted serum for a soft glow, rosy glow with skincare benefits. So it hydrates, it brightens, it has niacinamide. What else does it have? Instant illumination effect. It says coming soon, so it doesn't say price either. Let's see what else. Okay, we have here another collaboration, and this one is by Bobbi Brown in collaboration with Pac-Man. I never played Pac-Man, so this doesn't really do it for me, but let's see the products. They have Made to Play eyeshadow palette, which retails for $69. And it brings 8 shades. $69 for a eyeshadow palette that brings only 8 shades. Really? Are we still doing that now with the economy the way it is? Really? And the palette doesn't even intrigue me that much. It's like a basic palette, a neutral basic palette with a pop of blue. One blue. Make it make sense. Honestly. What else does this shit brings? It brings highlighting powder in Afternoon Glow, which retails for $57. The highlighter. Go shove it up. Extra plump lip serum. Didn't I just say that most people hate lip plumping shit? And that retails for $39. You know, I don't want to continue reading this because it's irritating me more. And I don't want to. Next. Okay, we have here it says available now in Asia. It's the Soft Blur Cushion Foundation by Kaja Beauty. They never work for me. Cushion foundations have never worked for me, so I'm not even gonna try to pretend that I like this. It says with a semi-matte finish and a medium coverage. It features a whatever that word is, minimizing formula that helps cover pores, infused with some other ingredients there and a whole bunch of shit. Comes in 5 shades. Only 5 shades, really? And it doesn't say the price. So they say exclusively shades, but it will launch soon in the US with more shades. I'm not interested at all. I gotta say, this next one I really like, but there's always a big but. This is the new Fatally Yours 2 collection with Bailey Sarian and Mel Cosmetics. The first one they did it last year. I didn't get it because even though the eyeshadow palette looked very beautiful, it was very grungy and I did like it. I just wish it had like at least one shimmer in it. It was an all matte palette, so I skipped on it. Plus it was like $70. I'm like, I'm not gonna pay $70 for a small, you know, eyeshadow palette. To me, it doesn't make sense. So I skipped on it. And then now this one, the whole collection, retails for $225, and I've heard a lot of people complaining about that price, and I agree. So it includes the eyeshadow palette, 4 lipsticks, lip gloss, a duochrome eyeshadow gel, a gel liner, a powder blush, some lashes, a clutch bag, and a mirror. That's what it brings. I do like the palette a lot, and it brings shimmers. It's so smoky and gorgeous. I wish they would put the price. They're being very, very shady about the prices. They want to push the full collection. They don't want to say yet what all the products separately, the prices, and because I know it's going to be expensive as well. So I think I'm going to skip on this one too. I really like the palette and I like the blush. That's about it. If I could get those 2 things, I would, but I'm going to wait until they reveal the prices, the individual prices, because they don't want to say. And it says coming soon. So if you want that, pay attention because it's coming very soon. Next, we have another eyeshadow palette here by Viseart. It says it's available now. Let's see if this one says the price. The price is $44. This is just a neutral palette, and I do like the colors, but I wish it had more mattes than shimmers. I really wish it had more mattes than shimmers. I see this and there's very few mattes and a whole bunch of shimmers, and that's why I don't like it personally, because I prefer my palettes to have more shimmers or mattes than shimmers. That's just a personal preference. And let's see when this is available now, right? Yeah, available now. Let's see what else. Another palette here. This is the palette by Nomad Cosmetics. This is the Polar Express palette. I've already seen a couple of videos of this palette, but it doesn't intrigue me at all. I could care less about the colors. I don't find it like beautiful at all. That color story, it doesn't do anything for me. The shimmers are not that shimmery for what I see in the videos, so I don't really like this one at all. I thought this had the price. It says November 12th, 9 p.m. Use code TRENDMOVE for 10% off. You can use the code. It brings 8 mattes, 6 glowing shimmers, and 1 festive multi-chrome. But it doesn't say the price anywhere. Let's go with the next one. Another palette here. This is available now. This is by Opulence Collection. I don't know. It includes 9 color eyeshadow palette for $66, which I find ridiculous, overpriced for just 9 colors. It's stupid. A blush powder duo for $46, a berry pink champagne pink, and Stardust duochrome glitter liner, lipstick for $36. What? Really? What? A lipstick for $36? Does it bring 2? It just says lipstick for $36. What? Next, another collab here by SheGlam and Harley Quinn. So it brings, let's see what it says here. It says it brings the Mad Love color palette, which retails for $8.49. It brings 8 shades of pink and blue, and like a black, I think. A lip jam set for $14. A blush stick for $6.99. All around under eye patches, ooh, for $6. A lipstick for $5.99. I'm gonna skip on this. I don't really, it doesn't call to me at all. Nothing from it. Let me know if you're interested in that. They have here, I'm gonna end it with this one because I don't want the video to be so long. But this one is it available now? Okay, this is the Lip Ivy Hydrating Gloss Serum. Yes, by NYX Cosmetics. This is the Hydrating Gloss Stain Instant Vitamin Glossy Color. with a unique lip staining effect infused with magnesium, vitamin B12, and what else? Coconut water. This sounds great. They're gonna come out with 16 shades and they retail for $10.67 and it says coming soon. Out of everything that I've talked about, I think that's the most intrigued that I am about all of these products. So that is everything that I saw. I actually feel better just letting it all out. Again, if you feel offended about people roasting products that you like, then this is not the video for you. If you're like me and you don't give a shit, then it's fine. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.